Hello, my name is Brad Creighton, and I am responsible for community engagement and events at Volunteer Fox Cities. The purpose of this video is to show you how to register for volunteer shifts at the Fox Cities COVID-19 Vaccination Clinic. The first step in registering for a volunteer shift is to check your email. All eligible volunteers will receive an email when new volunteer shifts at the clinic become available. The email will come from the address COMMENGAGE@volunteerfoxcities.org. Please make sure you are able to receive emails from this address. The email will look something like what you have on your screen, and it will list all of the available volunteer positions, as well as a link to click to each of them. If you are having issues, there are some links at the bottom of the email that link to this video on how to register. It also has a link to the email address if you're having issues registering for a shift. And there's also some tutorials at the bottom on how to sign up for a Get Connected account if you have not already done so. To sign up for a volunteer shift, the first thing you want to do is pick the volunteer position that you would wish to register for. For the purposes of the video, I'm going to click on the Observation Runner volunteer position. Please note that the process to register is the same for whichever volunteer position you are going to sign up for. The first step is to click on the part next to the name where it says click here. This link will take you right to Get Connected, and it will show a description of the volunteer position, and it will show all the shifts available as you scroll down. When you've decided when you want to volunteer for, you're going to click to either the Respond Individually button here or the Respond button at the top. It doesn't really matter which you pick. The screen, if you're not already logged in, will then prompt you to log into your Get Connected account. And once you're logged in, it's going to take you to a screen that looks like this. It should say Opportunity Response at the top, and then have the information you're looking for. The name, Observation Runner, double check to make sure that is still the position you want it to be at. The agency should say Fox Cities COVID-19 Vaccination Center, and then it should show your name as well. Underneath, it will list all of the opportunity shifts that are available. What you need to do is you need to make sure you click in the little checkbox next to the shifts that you would like to sign up for. There may be one already automatically checked. If you did not want to sign up for that shift, just check again in that box and the DA will unregister you. Once you have it correct and you have checked the shifts that you would like to volunteer for, you can look at the next box that says Additional Volunteer Information. If you have anything that you need to say or add or relay to the vaccination clinic, you can type that in the notes here. If you do not have anything that you would like to communicate, you can leave that spot blank as well. Once all that is set, if you go down to the bottom where it says Submit Opportunity Response, you click there, and it will say in this green box, your responses have been updated and you are set to go. And if at any point your schedule changes and you need to adjust what you registered for, click back on that link in the email, and there's a green box now that says Manage My Responses. You can click Manage My Responses. It will take you back to this page that you've seen before, and then you can change what you needed to change on your shifts. Make sure after you've made that change, you always click Submit Opportunity Response so it will update your preferences. If you would like to double check to make sure everything's fine, you can click on this dashboard button on the left side, and it will take you to a screen that looks like this. If you click on Opportunity Responses, it will now show you, again, everything that you have signed up to volunteer for. At the top, if you click where it says volunteer schedule, you can also get a calendar view of what shifts you are signed up for as well. If you have finished here and you would like to sign up for a different opportunity, it's important to note that you will need to go back into the email and click through on the link. So that was Observation Runner. Now I'm going to click on Document Distribution. You'll see that another opportunity pops up. Make sure again that it says at the top the position that you're looking for, the available shifts. It also tells you if there's open spots available. I click respond, and now I'm responding to the documentation distribution opportunity. Each week new shifts are available. You will receive another email saying that shifts are available. However, I will tell you the links are not going to change. So if you do misplace one of the emails or accidentally delete it, you should be able to click on any of the emails that have come from come to your email address that have these links, and it will take you to where you need to be. As always, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out. I can be reached at the email address on your email, COMMENGAGE@volunteerfoxcities.org, or you can always call area code 920-832-9360. Thank you so much for volunteering, and we look forward to seeing you.